Kofi Oduro so shey pa me denya me as say youth no mo Ghana no sisi omani bie a omo nkwa asori sorry omo Orthodox churches no mo njai san crofo we nsori ngu homo because we no mo answer wo be cross we na kwasha asori dem ne atwe adwen afi wutrim nti nyame bua no we ne tie se ofiso na Kofi Oduro ade a wo de ye John Mahama no wode ye na ado no wontumi mfa bi nye John Mahama no onyankopon be chia wo ka esansa wo nua ene Julius Debrant no wo mpesa wo be kasa sika no so wo di bi Kofi Oduro kwhwe wo yi wo say Easter convention no say den na mo ya me control comment to ase ma go and read it ansa na wo gina ho
now, you see, like you see,
for my
I'm not any preaching now, preaching. Because you're any preaching or preaching, you know. I will be posted to TikTok. No, I know my mute comments. And just any video, no, we mute comment. Now, Kofi Oduro na come here.
Abusia for me, mamu nyina mo akwaba Ediba Ghana and Sem TV so. But more this be like video na be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications. Say be next time videos of this nature ba also on sa ebitima kabi. Now so watch the wadwen or comment section was say the money me Mr. President na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me e ofen apeso boan which are through number na wase no adaroma in Sabeka na news today so ya nyina akoso ni beso pounds so na another day I came across a video and I'm watching on social media and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now me share video no. I just hear them for free when say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be make say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that, you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadia Nebe, I will say youth of it, like youth or mind be more rebellious politicians now of a sudden their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
Ni bie omunkwa sorry omunkwa Orthodox churches no mo njai san crofo we nsori ngu homo because we no mo answer wo be cross we na kwasha sorry dem ne atwe adwen afi wutrim nti nyame bua no we ne tie se ofiso na Kofi Oduro ade a wo de ye John Mahama no wo de ye na ado no wontumi mfa bi nye John Mahama no onyankopon be chia wo ka esansa wo nua ene Julius Debrant no wo mpesa wo be kasa sika no so wo di bi Kofi Oduro kwhwe wo yi wo say Easter convention no say den na mo ya me control comment to ase ma go and read it ansa na wo gina ho
now, you see, like you see,
for my
I'm not any preaching now, preaching. Because you're any preaching or preaching, you know. I will be posted to TikTok. No, I know my mute comments. And just any video, no, we mute comment. Now, Kofi Oduro na come here, mema. We na say come with comments. Come on, we here. Na say come with comment section YouTube. Come on, comment. I will be video on no no. I bet you monsem.
I know I just me time. NTA your friend is saying. Me control comment ma wo abegina ho say you voted for Mahama based on two things. Say obeba abechichi MPP for na ewie scanegum. And he say signing LGBTQ. Kofi Oduro wenimu fi. Wabraba boni na obo walande na odi ejani akoshe Ghana aka samanfo onimu wen. Woka asa amanfo onim ebra boni na oba wo London man mu na we dwane akoshe Ghana sa wo yo sofo no enya asama na yanka na Ghana fo binum na sebe o madwen wo fom a enka wo so ye betena wo na ase wo si yanko chichi MPP fo mo awieska chi wo ho first na chi wo nua be ma no na chi John Mahama if you can, chewu che mahama chewu nuano chewu hoka because unsu sika no wo dibisisia na chi Ibrahim monchi mahama sifo nyina muchi omo nyina wie ene NDC fo na omo wie sika like there's no tomorrow ni wi afa mu wie na mo abaye so samo be chi en abu oni dua na onchi wonwi Kofi Oduro abu a oni dua e na onchi
that you expect that their voice would have gone very far. So that is why I'm very happy that at least we know if President John Mahama, President-elect, doesn't do it, we can hold Assemblies of God responsible.
So you're expecting, is that one of the very first things you expect him to do?
Yes.
Ebusianfo we Dr. Lawrence Tete. Asema walking nyina ni tinti tian say President Mahama di oya Assemblies of God ni. Now when how have you seen when we said the oya first a religious bigot? This was religious bigotry, but we see yen nyina ye nhwe tie no enei reality na setting in. And he is not holding Assemblies of God accountable. Neither is he calling the president to order. And I say, calling the president out, say, on signing. Instead, no, or no claim, he say he is pleased. Or say President Mahama has won his heart. The hypocrisy. Muti your mind asofufu Bible na mu yisunu ekasatia oppression. And so no President Mahama baye otuneni si oba wa bonne bra justice tokunu otuneni si no so mamia bobra she has gone through the ranks akwa do chief justice. President Mahama tuneni si no so tete mame na mende mame no call pension na ni friend is any incentives or the call pension incentives kwa na bono. All of you were quiet in this country. These so-called men of God, you were quiet. And now LGBTQ na mujina su eye dede. Mujina su ki kan sem and some ke see a say mu na mu ye saint our Ghana hanom no. Today what has happened? Why are you people quiet? Friends, Lawrence Tete, you said you were going to hold Assemblies of God accountable. What happened to that? And then Assemblies of God superintendent Nakasa Kotina TV so say that is not, it's no longer a priority. And who hiya mbio President Mahama so ejina ho aka say, oh, there are a lot of needs into no sa LGBTQ and who hiya. The likes of Nana Bana Mwetu nye ejina ho aka say LGBTQ and who hiya munya atwum. Munya atwum ne mu beyie ne mu abayi dom na aka brechi tuntuma mu de tina oman mu. Anka asem enka nya asem bia o. And na yeti hanom mo amusuye na levy na taxes ku ye na yaka akwantu mu tax na ye de abeto ye so na da honom no enti na wo abroche na opese obefia ho achiru na opese obefia wo fie oman na wo free mu na nka oso mo ye wadom and na 3 days ye wo ha na obi be fry en say NDC fo eye consulate wo Dubai omotumi aka cho mo say wo na ekoso ni they will rescue them. Up till now, when they text the consulate, they don't mind them. And on top of it, says look at the taxes they've implemented. And you know, Ghana, no, the consulate in Dubai, they are not minding the friends and the youth over there. Meanwhile, one of them was there. You bet to me a day, you bet to me I evacuate your mother Ghana. Abranti ene kasa na akasu obeso our life is to Monday no be kan sa asem no or say onam baby omote no a friend is a bomb air to meanwhile if they chat the consulate they do not mind them nti sa abranti ene bebo besia po dia bagana obebo besia na so obeko obi wo so obi nya na doye no mra ne man mu no obeba bedu na tax way at the whole train no enti dia na abranti ene onka akwantu omu no
I don't blame her. I blame the NDC in Kwasiafo. NDC in penny form of Jimmy. NDC in penny form Muni Munyansa. You are the ones I blame. Now NDC in tears is a Munya special. I'll be honest here. I mean, for me, one example. Say, and penny form be. Me friend one month fano. Me here will shield. And I miss you. Many aba hanabisiu. Me kase minu aba because me mame firstborn. I was 54 years. ono ye pe enti wo ye me nua ba pani 2 years ago na ye campaign na me no kasa me twa interview wa how mame me twa interview me no na me ne wo ntam ye fine me ba Ghana na ye hia kama me ni nkoto be hia kama ye hia wo ye bisa osika ye bisa aka pre ma this ready a me de to wanim na eye ba ko pe ene say enye me last me nka say me last born ye last born me nua ba ketua odi machi oko private nursing owie school na adwuma ba ye problem enti se mubetimi aboa no na in case e bia mo fa nurses na se mubetimi di ni din ahim amamia eno pene ma this ready a me de to wanim manka se me hia post to be manka se me pe abochire bi akọ eno pe ene ma this ready a me de to ma me wanim e free ho me free Ghana eba ha me free wo a wo fa bi me se no message a
two consenting adults enye rape enye defilement omo aye omo adwen so person omo koye omo ho wodem no enye ye mu bi asem ebeye yasem so omo ye omo adwen sa adekoro na omo ye no omo di bepi abonten ama ye nyina ya hwe ene ekofa se LGBTQ asemi bayi
ana se omo be hyeyen
ana omo be se odi pi abonten ana odi be hyew ana on fam pie mfiri ni dem ma abonten a oye den hyew ene ekofa LGBTQ yeti omai we mu dwen yen ho sa amre no na still petrol le kosoro na ye free covid mu aba ye ni abri yetiri ho na ye hu ne ye nye ye hu wokurum ha ye wo pertinent issues serious issues any ye say Australian commission say hwan akwa hia nkrofo bi wo baabi fiti hia Sam George say on tia se kiki chese ene kofa LGBTQ nsemi bayi
what's up president Conde
me dem ba enka yen conversation
position ni bebre nso wa since ya ye to aba ye di afio e ko nanim you to no be from wa mo nfa message nso a on reply no eti no empanifo ni bebre wo ho a on hwe ni yie e wo NDC aban mu most of empanifo no won nyinya positions ni bebre no bebre hwe ni yie because ama boys no bebre kasa yes sebe ye eat uti na wan kasa ho a
wan kasa uti wan ye
thank you ye you are born eti abufu wo kurom no osofukum chacha no kura pa na meka kesi ni ade no because eto da bia obitimi fra minia na ade we kura ye ne ye se yeah any ade ye fra ho a bibi ra mame
ni nkofo di nkomoda nsema the first mami chia yera Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ayakwa akoye te se sisi anu fa social media bia na obi e frɛ doctor kofo bebre e frɛ nanado se nanado wapenso anka ne yefise nuemu mu eden
adisho boy kofo frɛ ni so bra
na abutri kabetna so yi de enuema ye west
abutri dare ya
President Mahama. Oh, the only difference between President Mahama and Abutrika is a laptop. The only difference between President Mahama and Abutrika is a laptop. Omu dada nipa. Take it from me. Omu dada nipa. President Mahama answer ni yebe kwa kotuaba. O kachire o kansem de. Edi chire ye you to know. Se juma bako. Ko 4 ne be ye se juma no. Minim sa no pe omo ko ndre numre no mapon omo ko fie dia o ka kire ye se public sector obia benya adwuma ye oba ye ko 2 years ni wan enya 24 hour economy ni ho faso it is say ye ka se president me ka kire o se President Mahama the only difference between ono any Abutrika a laptop so tiase because in some o kan ye no was coming Ghana fo nyina was coming Ghana youth ni nyina o ka kire teacher fo more colleges of education say oba omo licensure exams obetwem na when to me anya kura registration fee Mr. Speaker that's one aka akofo ado time e 200 Ghana cedis no President Mahama page mu dia ko 380 licensure exams no so a wentwem automatic post no this any when twem
na president Bahama na memo no mai we ana onya afi ba ko ne fakura
na membo obu no emu
afi no wanya afi ba
wo de na membo a obu no emu hinde na ye de toto no wanya previous one no
ngazi ana make say ememo ni ye mfie nai
Oma
afi na wanya afi ba ko ne bosumi ni
Mr. Speaker enkof
ko ne bosumi ni nsemu ni ewei
Mr. Speaker one out kyerɛ me sa grobe so a ifia nopa nipa wo honom na se wo hu signal sa de ebe ye a obehu ye ntwen ema ade no ye bobo 90 minutes 90 minutes there but 90 minutes no